Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a quick and easy spicy coconut oat banana bread. It is super delicious and I do hope you guys try this. If y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. Let's jump right into this video. So here I'm mashing 3 bananas. Then I'm going to remove just a little bit of the banana. The remainder I'm going to add some sugar, some grapeseed oil, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, and we're going to whisk that together. Make sure everything is really well combined. Then we're going in with our all-purpose flour and our oats flour, some baking powder, and we're going to mix that well. Then I'm going in with my nuts and I'm using chopped walnuts. Now here I'm adding my cayenne pepper to my sweetened coconut flakes. Mix that in well. Then we're going to add about 3/4 of this into the mixture. Not to worry, the correct measurements will be in the description box. And if you guys are thinking this is too spicy, it is really not spicy. It just has a little bit of kick to it. It's different and it's extremely delicious. And cayenne pepper, if you guys don't know, it's really good for you. I added just a little bit of milk and the remainder of the banana. I love my banana bread to have, like little chunks in there, so that is why I add just a little bit to the end. Then I'm going to pour this into my greased baking dish. And we are going to bake this for about 25 minutes in a 350 degrees oven until it is nice and golden brown. I do have other banana bread video. I have the banana bread cream cheese. That was absolutely delicious. You guys need to check that one out in the description box. I'll leave the links to the other ones in my description box. Then I sprinkle some nuts over the top and some of the spicy flakes, and this is what it looks like, guys. It just looks gorgeous. So I do hope you guys try this recipe. It is very, very delicious. I can't emphasize how delicious this is. So thank you all again for spending the time with me today, and I see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.